Hi TVS, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see view guests. Okay, so now whoever we have registered, only one registration we have done, and we have done the editing also, and we deleted and check-in also we have deleted it. So let me show you whether it has been deleted or not. We see if it has been deleted or no, it's not been deleted. So this is the user where we will be giving it to the front-end developers, so to view the information. So the complication here is here the user ID is 2, it's okay. Here the room ID is 6, but we don't know what the 6 is and which the room number is, so we need to change this value and we need to give it. We need to give lot of information, so that's the thing, we need to do it. So without wasting time, let us start coding. So here you go with a view of room. This was for the room actually, so where we have taken the user ID, right? And for that user ID, what are the rooms are present that we have given. So same fashion, what we'll do, we'll take this user ID of his user ID, and then we will give what were occupied, because history also required, everything is required, so that's the reason. So this is not view room, view guests. See, we require an user ID, so depending upon this user ID, what happens, we'll get different sort out of, we can sort the users. Okay, so that's the reason. So if not of empty user ID, if it is empty, then we need to, so we will be sending this. If not empty, then what we will see, where we need to get this value, get the room number of rows. If number of rows are there, result found or result not found. So but here we need to have like join kind of thing. So here you go with the join table, this db join. So I need to join room table, right? Room. Okay, I need to join room where guest dot room id, guest guest dot room underscore id will be equals to room dot room id. This is nothing but we are joining the two tables. Okay, and then we are getting the data from here. Okay, so that is the only thing we are looking out here. And this user id, where user id is nothing but from room user id. Okay, for the room user id we are looking out. Okay, otherwise we have user id for this what we call not room, this is guest. Okay, we have for room also and we have guest also, so that's the reason, to not to get confused. So we have received this, we have written this. Okay, and here you go with the room check. It's not room check, guests we need to check whether guests are available or not. So guest check, if what we call this number of guests, if guests are available, if it means we have guests, number of rows are more, then what we call, we will get guest details. We will get room, not room details, this here is guest detail. So we will send the guest details here with status 1. If no guests are, no results are there, then no results found, and this is all the thing. Okay, so that's all for this. Now let us check whether it is working fine or not, what the result we are getting. I am expecting one result when I give the user id is equals to 2, supposed to give 2, and also I will give it 1 where to check we are with this thing we are fetching it out. So here you go with the testing part, and the url is view with the this here we don't require the guest id, is not required at all. That's it, only the user id is required, no guest id is required. So that's the reason we need to remove this, and then we need to look test it. So we got an error, it's 500 internal error. So let us check what happened. Hotel rest api view get, here is, and here is the user id. So there is unknown column, the user id dot room. Oh my god, so this is the syntax, user id syntax error. First it should be room, then dot user id. From this table you will be getting the user id. So that is the case. So here you go with the guest id, user id is 2 as usual, room id is 6, the room id is equivalent to room number is 101, and its price and its occupancy we have received, and the name of the person, mobile number, email id, check-in date, checkout dot till we have not yet made, so that's it's null. So here is Aadhaar card number. So these all things we have received. We can get the user id details also, but it's not required because at the time of login we will be having those information. So that's the reason which is not required. So if we have more than that, then as in our previous videos I have shown you, there will be more number of errors we can able to find. So this is the simple thing to fetch the details of the guests of any member through this application. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please give a like.